Good morning, YouTube. Back again with another video. I just woke up, but I had this epiphany, right? I had this world of going back to gold, going back to if we had to go back to gold. So right here, I have. Can I show it in the camera? I have gold. I have. What's this? Two 5-gram nuggets of gold. Let's just say I didn't know what the worth was, the value. And I say, hey, listen, I want, with this gold, I'm gonna give you this gold. I want some shoes. You're gonna say, well, I need 6 grams of gold. I say, why 6 grams of gold? Why do you need 6 grams of gold? Because that's what I feel like these shoes are worth. I say, okay, fine. So I give you now this 6 grams of gold, and you now have these 6 grams of gold, and I have the shoes. Well, come to find out that you go track it. Well, number one, how do I get another gram of gold, right? How do I go find another gram? Do I take off a gram of this one, right? Do I cut this in half? Or get a little slither of this and I weigh it out. The process is long. But regardless of the fact, we found a way to give you your 6 grams. You now have 6 grams of gold, but you find out that the gram I gave you was fake. So you have now you have 1 real gram and then 1 fake gram of gold. Well, this continues to happen. This continues to happen. People melt it down, add things to it. There's no real way to test it, right? So fast forward, you say, you know what? Gold is not the way. So we move to dollars. We move to dollars. And I'm giving you same scenario. I say, hey, listen, these pair of shoes that I'm going to give you cost $30, right? I say, okay, pairs of shoes, they don't cost that much. They don't cost $30. They cost more like $150. So I give you $150. Same scenario. You can kind of look at money, right, and see if it's real or fake now. You can hold it to the light, it has these different scenarios, but it continues to be fake. It continues as we grow throughout society. Somebody can't tell. Somebody can look, well, for dollars, yes, but somebody can't look at a watermark and just instantly tell that this money is real, this money is fake. But in some case scenario, someone actually takes the fake bills. At least I'll put maybe 1 fake one inside of that. And now you have not the whole 150, but you have 100 of it or 50 of it or even 20 of it that's fake. Now you're circulating this money. Now you go to someone else, you're trying to give them this money. They realize, hey, listen, this is fake. And you're like, hold on. I checked, I held it to the light. It's like, no, I think this is fake. So like, okay, wow, all right. So now I'm out of $20 or whatever the case may be. We're gonna fast forward because we know this is obsolete. We go to the card. I'm not gonna pull out my card, but it's my wallet. You have a card in this wallet, and you're swiping the card. So you have it's a digital money, right? So it's like, oh well, it's digital, and you go to whatever restaurant, and they say, hey, the price is $30. You see $30 on the ledger. You see $30 on the screen, and you swipe it. The $30 come out of your account, and then they get $30. Well, you're like, well, you can't fake that. I disagree. You can fake it. You're seeing $30, and you're thinking $30 is coming out your account, but where's this money even being generated from? Where's this money? Like, you got it from your job, yes, and your job is giving it to you. Now you're giving it to other people, but it holds nothing, right? It holds no real weight. At least the dollars have a serial number, so you can say, okay, I gave this dollar to someone else, and it's like, oh, you might not remember this serial number, but you can take a picture. Like you feel like this is better because it's physical, right? And you can see it, and you can like mark your name on it, versus even like a credit card. So it's just like or the current digital money that we live in with right now. So it's like, how are you tracking this money? How is this money? It's like you just see pluses and minuses inside your account, but there's no overall value because our government continues to print it off. So it's like, how do you feel about our current money system? Because we're living there right now. I told you to gold, told you the dollar bills, and I told you that's how we're living with cars now. So it's really it's like a real process behind it. You know that the money that your, company is giving you is real money because yes, it's being accepted by other places. So it's really it's almost like let's just say, for instance, your job says, or you go to the nearest store and say, hey, listen, we don't accept card anymore. How you don't accept card? Because we don't believe that our government just print off so much money. We say, well, I have money. It's like, we don't find that it's real money anymore. But we are accepting Bitcoin. So why would you accept Bitcoin over my real dollars? Where he said, well, at least when we receive Bitcoin, we know that it is a scarce asset and a lot of people want it. Like a lot of people, what I mean by a lot of people, not just in America, but a lot of people in the world wants it. It's like, well, I don't want it. Well, it's like, well, so what? It's a very scarce asset. It's deflationary because the mining for it cuts off every 4 years. And we have a halving coming up, and you might say, "What do you mean?" Like I'm still so confused. Well, baseline is the money that we receive from Bitcoin is a scarce asset, and a lot of people want it. And the blockchain can show different transactions, so it can show all the customers we've had in the last 24 hours. It doesn't show their name, but it shows each customer, and it shows that the blockchain has read they have given us Bitcoin, and this is what it is. Now, this Bitcoin that we have right now, we can give this to other institutions and other. Not sure when my phone cut out, but going back to the example of myself buying some shoes from you or buying some shoes from someone. Now I'm back on Bitcoin, and I have to scan the QR code to send and or receive the Bitcoin. So I have my Bitcoin wallet. I'm hitting send, and then boom, I scan the QR code or I copy the address, and it says, "Are you sure this is where you want to send? Are you sure?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm reading the address. This is the address. Are you sure this is the address you want me to send to? Are you sure? Are you're verifying voice to voice, right? We're going back to the times when we did have gold, but you can actually trust someone because it's not only the trust between two people saying, hey, this is my address. Yes, I can confirm that I'm going to send you money, but then it's a level of trust with the system. So I can't send you fake Bitcoin because the blockchain won't allow it. And if they are scamming me, then it's like, okay, well, you have to trust your judgment. You have to now say, okay, do I want these pair of shoes? You know what? Put them on. I actually want these pair of shoes. And how that works with our current system, like of Amazon, there's going to be levels of, okay, if I do see my Bitcoin, can I get it back? It's like, yes, there's still going to be laws that is going to take place of if, receipts and stuff like that. Those things are still going to happen. But as far as instant transaction money, is going to be within 10 minutes, boom, you can now see, and the blockchain is going to read that, okay, I've sent you your money and they have received this money. And it's only going to be between you two. Like, you two are going to know, right? So you can say your address, you can confirm that address, and that's better. That's better because it's quick. That's better because it grows our level of trust with people. It grows our level of trust with society. And well, some people are like, well, there's always gonna be somebody trying to scam. Yes, there's always gonna be someone trying to scam the system. There's always gonna be somebody trying to scam the system. This happened with it's happened with every currency. Someone trying to scam. So you're not gonna get rid of that, but it's going to alleviate the higher ups from printing off money in our current system. It's gonna make our actual money that we have right now more valuable. Yeah, that's my take on us moving through different currencies. I hope y'all like my examples. I'll try to do more examples like these, more scenarios. And yeah, that's the video. Subscribe and like and subscribe. Until the next one. Peace.